And the reason why I'm doing this is because it's going to be a little bit easier to see what I'm doing with 3D turned off in a simple 2D view. I'm going to go to Other, then I'm going to go to Rectangle. The mode, I definitely need to know where my rectangle is being drawn now because I'm actually going to be using it to help construct the spiral I'm going to draw around the hilt. So I'm going to put this on the bottom left corner. Make sure that's at 0, 0. My width of 5 inches is okay, and my height is going to be the circumference times however many turns I'm going to be making. Let's say, for instance, that over 5 inches I can make, I don't know, maybe, say, 5, 6 turns or something like that. For the height, what I wanted to do is I'm going to say I'm going to have 2 times pi times pi times whatever my radius is going to be. So that's pi times 0.625. Hit tab on that's going to do the math. Now that would be 1 turn all the way around the hilt. I want to make 5 turns around the hilt. So what I'll do is take that, I'll multiply that by 5. I hit OK, and I'm going to have a nice rectangle drawn. Now to do the spiral, in 4th axis, if you're going all the way around the piece, you can do this with a simple straight line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn 3D on. Hit View All. I'm going to put a point up here in the upper right-hand corner with point end. Right there. I'm going to take that point and say, for example, I'm going to highlight the entire thing. I'm going to rotate that right back to the same 4 degrees that we had before. Hit OK. And say, for instance, I want to take this just a little bit deeper toward the back of the cube over here than I am at the front of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Point and End again. Click on that. Make sure that point is highlighted. Now the depth of this point over here, since I want to be a little deeper on the end of the hilt, I want to find out how deep this already is. So I'm going to highlight this, I go to Special, and then Verify. Now my depth on this is I am 348 thou and 8/10 down. So let's say I want to take this, say 350 thou, just a couple thou difference. I'm going to change, translate, minus 350 thousandths. Again, scale 1, I'm not making any copies. I hit OK. Now I have 2 points where I can draw a straight line.